Hey, wake up. Wake up, yeah, good morning. Okay, the sun is up. Oh well, I mean... Oh, it's very cloudy. It's so grey. It's raining. Oh, it's a rainy morning in Hogwarts. There's lots of lightning outside. Very, very stormy. Well, good thing we woke up early. None of the students are here yet. So, no embarrassing moments. They're not gonna get us sleeping in the Great Hall. Let me just check the points here. Oh, it's all good. Okay. I wanted to check the points to see if maybe they deducted something from our house. Maybe someone saw us in the night, but no. We are good. They didn't see us. We did not get caught, so all good. No harm done. Let's get out of here before anyone arrives. So, a rainy day at Hogwarts. This is interesting. Let's enjoy the time we have. Let's go outside. And let's have a walk around in the rain. What do you think? Yeah, no, don't worry. Let's try not to get too wet. It's not raining too strong. It's just very cloudy and there's lots of thunder, but it's not a very heavy rain. Not yet. It's very, very moody. I do like this weather. I don't get bothered with rain. I mean, sometimes if it's too dark and it doesn't let the sun go through, if it's too grey, it could get to me a bit, But look, it's so pretty. The lake and the mountains are so silver. Very beautiful silver. Let's explore this area. I don't think we have been here. Locked. And let me do a little spell here. Yeah, very nice, isn't it? I learned how to do this. It's a kind of magical umbrella. It's gonna stop us from getting wet as the rain gets heavier. So yeah, if there's no sun for too long, I think it's natural to feel a little down, a little bit depressed. But in general, I love rain. It's so relaxing to wake up and to go to sleep to the sound of rain. Yeah, not too heavy though. This is a dead end. Let's go back. Why is this here? A dead end? Well, it's a little secret spot, Very quiet. We could go here from time to time. I like to hear the raindrops falling in the ceiling here. It's also very good when you hear them just doing little boop, 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 like little raindrop sounds on the umbrella. Yeah, it's funny, right? It's funny that this charm to create a umbrella also does the same sound. Well, I'm grateful it does. It would be very boring to have a magical umbrella, and if it didn't do the umbrella sounds in the rain. Look at this. Very, very nice. It's good to do these little explorations, don't you think? It's good that you're always with me. It's good company. And I remembered this place from the first morning we were here. Yeah. Come on, let's go up here, the stairs. I have an idea. It might be a crazy one, but trust me, it's another spell that I learned. I've been wanting to test it out. Yeah, you need to be a little bit of adrenaline addicted to do this. Just do it as I said, okay? We're gonna jump. Yeah, don't be afraid. We're gonna jump, okay? In 3. 1, 2, and 3. Arrest the momentum. There, you see? It didn't hurt. Oh well, yeah, it's not so tall. Yeah, we could jump from there, naturally. But the spell kind of stops our falling just in the last second before we hit the ground. So it's very useful. What do you think is this place over here? These rocks? Can we go down here? Do you think it's dangerous, perhaps? Well, since we are on this kind of adrenaline mood, let's get risky here and just explore down the rocks here. I think we can get to the lake shore, perhaps. Yeah, I would like to see the ripples in the water from the rain falling. It's very hypnotizing as well. You gotta enjoy these little moments. Just look at the view. Such a beautiful silvery water and mountains and the clouds blending together. Let's just keep walking. I hope we get somewhere. Not sure where we are going, but we are going somewhere. Let's see where we get to. Alright, come on over here. Let's just careful with the tree branches. I think I know where we are. Oh wow, we walked so much. Yeah, down there, Hagrid's house. There's his hut over there. Should we bother him? Do you think we should bother him a bit? If he is in there, right? I don't know. Let's just get out of the rain. It's starting to get really heavy now. Don't know for how long this umbrella charm keeps going, but it could run out at any moment. We should get cover. Should get cover. Let's go here into the bridge. Let's just rest a bit. It's been a long walk all the way from the lake to here. Are you cold? I feel a little bit cold. It's getting heavier, the rain. Lumos. Here. Put your hands close to the wand. The Lumos light will warm you up, and me too. It's funny, isn't it? I never knew, but the Lumos charm can actually serve as a way of heat, you know, because the light is warmer. Yeah, very useful. Let's just walk our way back. Oh, look at the view. Yeah, another very nice view. Hogwarts is very nice in the rain. Look at the mountains and everything. Very nice to see everything in the rain. It's our first rainy day at Hogwarts, but I guess it's not going to be very rare. It rains a lot around here, doesn't it? So we're gonna see a lot more of this, but first time, so quite exciting. Let's just walk our way back very calmly, because I'm not in a hurry. We walked so much. The map. I'm telling you, we need a map. I heard that Fred and George from Gryffindor have a map. Yeah. But I'm not sure, you know. But they seem to get everywhere so easily, you know. They know everything, you know, all the secret passages. That they must have a map. We should talk to them, you know. Be friendly. They are very, very nice people. Yeah. I like the Weasleys. Yeah. Let's stop under the tree over here. Yeah. It's good. The rain doesn't catch us over here. Let's go in. Yeah, let's go in. It's getting too heavy. We're gonna get struck by a lightning in our heads. Let's just play it safe and get back inside. Anyway, another day at Hogwarts about to start. Maybe this one, we're gonna get it right. We're not gonna miss any classes, yeah? And we're gonna have breakfast, we're gonna have lunch with our colleagues on the Grey Hall. We're not gonna avoid them. And let's just have a great day. Alright. I'm not sure what time is it now. What time do you think it is? Well, I do not know because... Is this... it's locked. I don't know because the sun is covered by the clouds. So I really have no idea, really. Don't see anyone around here. I guess we have a few hours still, right? It's been quite the first week, hasn't it? I think the weather is changing. Yeah. Yeah, the sun is shining. Well, and there it goes. There goes our rainy day. Well, I guess it was just a rainy morning. Now the sun is taking over, and well. Everything looking good. It's actually good, I think. I just remembered. I think we have flying lessons today. Yes, I think today is our first flying lessons, so this is great. We would not be able to fly in the rain. It's very difficult to learn how to fly when it's raining. So, good news. Let's just get ready for having some good breakfast here on the Great Hall. Everyone should be here very soon, and yeah, I can't wait to fly. It's gonna be great, really. You're gonna give me some tips, won't you? Because you know some stuff about flying. Let's just wait for breakfast. I hope there's pudding. I do love some pudding. Well. I think we are off to a great start. It has been a great week. Let's win our house some points, shall we? Well, not with our bellies empty, so... breakfast.